Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education. Today we are going to learn 5th lesson of 4th standard, which is division. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So dear students, you already know how to do a division, right? Because you have already learned in your previous standards. Let's recap some terms related to the division sum, okay? Here, the number that we are going to divide is known as dividend, right? The number with which we divide is known as divisor. The number here we get as a result is known as quotient, and the number that remains in the end is known as remainder, okay? So here this one is basic sum of division. I know that you already know how to do a division, but still if you got confused or if you forgot how to do the division, let's see one example for it. Look at here, let's take 125 divided by 5, okay? Let's see this example, how to divide 125 by 5, okay? So 125 is we are going to divide, so this number is dividend. We are going to divide this number by 5, so 5 is divisor, okay? So we will write this sum like this, 125 and 5 outside, okay? So here divisor contains one digit, so let's take one digit of the dividend, okay? So here is 1. But we know that 1 is smaller than 5, so we cannot divide 1 with 5, okay? So let's take 2 digits here. So these 2 digits makes number 12, okay? Now you must know the table of 5, okay? While doing the division, you must remember tables from 1 to 20, okay? They will help you to do the sum of the division, right? So let's divide 12 by 5. So क्या 5 के टेबल में 12 आते हैं? No, right? 12 does not come in 5's table. So what we are going to do? We are going to write number which is nearest to this number, okay? We are going to write the number which is nearest to the 12. But always remember, we should not write number greater than this number, okay? So we know that 5 2s are 10, okay? 5 2s are 10. So we are going to write 2 here and we will write 10 here, okay? Now let's do subtraction. 12 minus 10. What we get? 2, okay, right? Now let's bring down next digit here, okay? Next digit is 5, so let's bring down 5 here, okay? Now this makes 25, and we know that 25 comes in table of 5. 5 5s are 25, right? So we'll write 5 here. 5 5s are 25. Now let's do subtraction. We get 0, right? So what is quotient here? 25 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So this is how you do division. It's easy, right? Dear students, you know that after doing the division sum, you can check whether your answer is correct or not. How to do it? Let's see. Let's take one more example. 137 divided by 5. Okay, same process we are going to follow as the last example. Here divisor contains only one digit, so we are going to take one digit of the dividend, okay? So here is 1, and we know that we cannot divide 1 by 5 as 1 is smaller than 5, so we will take 2 digits. So here is 13, and we know that 5 2s are 10, okay? We cannot write 5 3s are 15 because we cannot write greater than this number, okay? So we will write 5 2s are 10, okay? Now let's do subtraction. What we get here? 13 minus 10, 3, okay? Now let's bring down next digit here. Next digit is 7, so let's write 7 here, okay? Now is 37 comes in 5's table? No, okay? 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So 37 does not comes in 5's table. So we will write 5 7s are 35, okay? Now let's do subtraction. 37 minus 35, what we get? 2, right? So here no more digits are left, so our division sum completes here, okay? Now we got 27 here. What is it? This is known as quotient, okay? The number remains in the end is known as remainder. The number that we were dividing is known as dividend, right? and the number by which we were dividing is known as divisor. So students, as I told you that we can check whether our answer is correct or not, whether our sum is correct or not. How to check this? There is one simple equation, and that equation is dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, plus remainder. Okay, so this dividend, okay, this number is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, let's check whether this is correct or not. So dividend, what is dividend? 137. Okay, सो इक्वल टू के दोनों तरफ ये नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. अगर यहाँ पे 37 है तो यहाँ पे भी 37 आने चाहिए. सो अगर दोनों साइड सेम नंबर्स आते हैं तो आपका आंसर, आपका सम करेक्ट है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ये करेक्ट है या नहीं. सो डिवाइजर क्या है? 5. ओके, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्वोशंट. व्हाट इज क्वोशंट? 27, राइट? 27 प्लस रिमाइंडर. व्हाट इज रिमाइंडर? 2. ओके, now let's check 5 multiplied by 27, what we get? Let's do multiplication. 27 multiplied by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so we will write 5 here and we will carry 3 to the next column. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, so we got 135. Okay, what we got? 135 plus these 2. Okay, so 135 plus 2, what we get? 137. So you can see here is 137 and here is also 137. Okay, so equal to साइन की दोनों तरफ नंबर सेम है, मतलब कि हमारा ये जो सम है डिवीजन का, जो आंसर हमें मिला, जो क्वोशंट और रिमाइंडर हमें मिला, वो करेक्ट है. इजी, राइट? Okay students, now let's see which relationship is there between multiplication and division. Okay, so for every multiplication fact with distinct factors we get 2 division facts. Okay, for example 8 9s are 72. Okay, if we multiply 8 and 9 to each other we get 72. In the multiplications lesson we learned that the number multiplied to each other are known as factors and the result we get is known as product. Okay, so here 8 and 9 are factors and this is multiplication fact, because if you multiply 8 and 9 or 9 and 8 you are always going to get 72. Okay, so for this multiplication fact we get 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स. ओके, ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट के लिए हमें 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स मिलते हैं. ओके, और डिस्टिंक्ट फैक्टर्स यानी कि डिस्टिंक्ट यानी कि डिफरेंट. ओके, यहाँ पे 8 है और यहाँ पे 9 है, दोनों डिफरेंट नंबर्स है. ओके, सो चलिए देखते हैं कि कौन कौन से डिवीजन फैक्ट्स मिलते हैं. सो इफ यू डिवाइड 72, ओके, इफ यू डिवाइड 72 बाई 8 व्हाट वी गेट? 9. ओके, if we divide 72 by 8 we get 9, because 8 9s are 72, right? And if you divide 72 by 9 what we get? 8. Okay, because 9 8s are 72. Okay, so these are 2 division facts. So for every multiplication fact with 2 distinct factors we get 2 division facts. Okay, so this is relationship between multiplication and division. Let's see one more example. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Okay, right? 4 5s are 20. Okay, so for this multiplication fact we get 2 division facts. Which are those? 20. If you divide 20 by 4 what we get? 5, right? And if we divide 20 by 5, okay, what we get? 4. ओके, बट व्हाट इफ देयर आर आइडेंटिकल फैक्टर्स? ओके, क्या होगा अगर ये दोनों नंबर सेम होंगे? लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. 3 multiplied by 3, what we get? 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. So if we divide 9 by 3, 9 divided by 3, what we get? 3. Okay, so if there are identical factors, then we get only one division fact. Okay, अगर दोनों नंबर सेम हो तो हमें सिर्फ एक डिवीजन फैक्ट मिलेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Okay dear students, now let's learn properties of division. Okay, so first property is division by 1. Okay, so if you divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, अगर आप कोई भी नंबर 1 से डिवाइड करोगे तो quotient वो नंबर खुद ही है. For example, if we divide 25 by 1, what we get? 25, right? वैसे ही अब कोई भी नंबर 1 से डिवाइड करो तो वो नंबर खुद ही मिलेगा. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल. 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. ओके, वी नो दैट 1 4s are 4. ओके, 1 4s are 4. लेट्स डू सबट्रैक्शन. 4 minus 4 0. लेट्स ब्रिंग डाउन दिस 2 हियर. वी नो दैट 1 2s are 2. ओके, 1 2s are 2. नाउ लेट्स डू सबट्रैक्शन. 0. So what is quotient? 42. Okay, and what was dividend? 42. Okay, so if we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, second property is division by itself. Okay, means if we divide any number by that number, you are going to get the quotient 1. Okay, अगर आप कोई भी नंबर उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करो तो आपको आंसर 1 मिलेगा. Okay, for example 25 divided by 25, we get 1. Okay, third property is when a 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Okay, मतलब कि अगर आप 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. ओके, जो क्वोशंट है वो हमेशा 0 ही मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू डिवाइड 0 by 24, you get 0. Okay, if you divide 0 by 421, you get 0. Okay, मतलब कि आप 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करो आपको हमेशा क्वोशंट 0 ही मिलेगा. Okay, fourth property is if the divisor is 0, there is no possible answer, that is division by 0 is not defined. Okay, means you cannot divide any number with 0. Okay, आप किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हो, वो प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस टर्म 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, सो दिस आर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिवीजन. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपिक्स वी लर्न टुडे. ओके, सो हियर फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट write both the division facts. Okay, in the relationship between multiplication and division we learned this thing. Okay, so here first multiplication fact is 6 multiplied by 4, 24. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Okay, so which two division facts we are going to get? First one is if you divide 24 by 6, what we get? 4. Okay, and if we divide 24 by 4, what we get? 6. Okay, so these are two division facts based on this multiplication fact. Okay, look at here, 8 3s are 24. 8 multiplied by 3 we get 24. Okay, so for this if you divide 24 by 8, what we get? 3. Okay, and if we divide 24 by 3, what we get? 8. Easy, right? This one 9 multiplied by 5, 45. Okay, so if we divide 45 by 9, what we get? 5. Okay, and if we divide 45 by 5, what we get? 9. Easy, right? Now look at here, find the quotient. We have to find quotient, right? So your first example is 18 divided by 2. What we get? How do we get 18? We know that 2 9s are 18. Okay, so here what is quotient? 9. Same here. How do we get 24? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, right? So 8 threes are 24. Okay, so here quotient is 3, easy, right? And here 72. We know that 8 nines are 72. Okay, 8 nines are 72. So here quotient is 9. So these are the easy examples, right? You learned this kind of examples in your previous standards. We are going to learn division with bigger numbers in our next part of this lesson. In the second part, we are going to learn more about division. If you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.